Bambino Bundle is a platform on a mobile app that's dedicated to renting out kids' clothing. So if you're a parent, you're probably aware of the hassle of clothing your kids. We know it's expensive, kids grow out of those clothes very, very fast, which leads you with accumulated clutter, which contributes to global problem of unmanageable textile waste. And secondly, it's really hard to avoid fast fashion and find really good quality clothes for your kids. So with Bambino Bundle, we are basically offering you a fun, easy, and affordable way and a sustainable way to clothe your kids. If you're a retailer, please contact us. We are open for partnering up. And if you're our parents, please wait just a bit because our app is going to be launching very, very soon.